Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm actually going to wrap some presents today and then cook dinner. I did curl my hair. I used the beach waver. This is the, oh, I didn't even turn it off. That would be so horrible if I did. The beach waver, it does rotate. I did a quick little reel. I love tight curls. You guys are like, these are not tight. First of all, my hair is way too long for this barrel, even though they came out really cute. My hair is way too long for this barrel, so I asked my mom for Christmas to get me the B1. I've been obsessed with their TikTok lives. They give away free stuff all the time. I actually got something for free, so yeah, just throwing that out there. Follow them. I don't get paid or anything for it, but yeah, I curled it with this. This is gonna be perfect once I actually cut my hair. I actually want to cut like this much off. I just not wanting to spend the money on that right now. But I got the 1-inch one, which is bigger barrel, so that I can curl my hair a little bit easier. I'm gonna kind of put my hair up just to get it out of my face, but that looks really cute. I really like it. I literally been getting headaches like every day this week. It is flow week, so I don't want to do it too late. Sorry if you can hear my mom. Yeah, see, that's like super cute. This is the only reason, Mom, the only reason I actually don't like to cut my hair, because when you have it up, it looks like this. That's the in between. All right, let me go get all the stuff for packing the gifts, and then we'll start packing the gifts. And my mom and my daughter are yelling. So I'm not gonna fully show you guys me packing in this video, but I got my best friend's kids presents. They just got here in the mail. I'm so excited. My grandma's also, which I just ordered last night, so good with shipping. I don't know how I feel about this tripod. It's not one that I'm gonna be like carrying outside because it has that big old ring light. Maybe I need to get over that fear already. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and film what I got my toddler for Christmas, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finally finished wrapping just my daughter's gifts. So these are her gifts. I was gonna do other people's too today, but I'm tired. That took me so long to do. I'm actually gonna start cooking dinner after I put those under the tree. I feel accomplished though. I got a lot done. Still waiting for one more gift, but other than that, I'm so excited. All right, and here I am cooking dinner. I improvised. It doesn't say to put this much seasoning in the white rice, but you know I am extra, so I do. The recipe, I am gonna go ahead and show it in a little bit so you guys can see. I'm not gonna really walk you guys through it. It was actually really simple to make, and it was absolutely delicious. Me and my husband loved it, and so did my mom. Unfortunately, my toddler did not like the sweet and sour kind of taste of the meat, unfortunately, but she devoured the rice. I forgot to say I did add quinoa to the rice though, to make it a little bit healthier for my little human. But again, guys, this was actually really good, and I forgot to show you guys because I was starving and we ate and everything, and I didn't even show you guys. But this is actually the recipe and what you need for it. Screenshot. Really quickly, if you guys are wondering why I haven't uploaded like any Christmas decorating, it is honestly, guys, I just decorated whenever I could, so I didn't really think, let me film it. I just was like, all right, I gotta do this. Let me get it out of the way. With my toddler, she finally finished teething, but while she was teething this last 2 months, I couldn't do anything. She just wanted to be on top of me, and I just did it when I could. So there's only like little Christmas stuff here and there. I didn't go crazy all out like I normally do, which is fine. Next year I probably will. But that is why there is no decorate with me for Christmas. I might do a quick walkthrough. Don't know yet. Let me know down below if that's something you would want to see. I don't even know if this vlog is any kind of entertaining. I don't know how to vlog anymore. I'm gonna actually take my daughter, myself a shower. She really needs a bath right now. It's been so freaking cold that I'm like not taking her one because it's so cold and we haven't gone anyways, but she needs one today, right now. Hey guys, welcome back. So I forgot to exit out really yesterday's video, but we took our bath. My in-laws ended up coming over and that was it. So today I'm actually going to film a very exciting video coming up very soon. I actually feel like this vlog is actually should be uploaded before the next two, but I think I'm gonna upload the next two before this one. So we'll see. We will see what ends up going up and what you end up seeing first. So I actually again wanted to curl my hair today and it broke. So I actually contact customer service on TikTok and their customer service on Beachwaver. I'm hoping to be able to just get a replacement, and not of this style, just of this size in general, because I do feel like I'm gonna love this one when my hair is shorter. I'm so sad, but so far the customer service has been amazing, so fingers crossed so that I can still get it. We'll see. All right, so let me film this video. Yep. Let me film this video. All right, we just got home, so I had to wash the dishes and my husband's coffee Stanley cups for work so I can make his coffee nice and fresh for him for work. And get those dishes washed. I don't like going to sleep with dishes in my sink. It drives me insane when I wake up with dishes in my sink. Yes, guys, I am a little rusty with vlogs. I'm all over the place. I don't even know where I'm going with any of this, but I'm going to go ahead and take off my makeup with Pharmacy Green and Clean. I love this stuff, and my makeup wipes, and if my daughter allows I will go wash my face. If not, I am going to go ahead and put my skincare, which is right now for night, the peptide moisturizer and the vitamin C from Tulip, and I might actually put a little bit of the A Cosmetics moisturizer as well, which is Confidence in a Cream, which I absolutely love, since my skin has been really dry lately. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.